If you have a dead remote and a GMC or Chevrolet truck, we're going to show you how to unlock it and start it with a dead battery on your remote control. This is for push button applications only. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage. And what's the worst feeling you can possibly have? Well, one of the worst feelings is coming out to your truck and hitting the remote and nothing happening. Walking up to the truck, pushing the button, and the door's not unlocking. Lo and behold, the battery has gone dead in your remote. It doesn't give you much of a warning, and this is usually a problem. So we're going to show you how to get into your truck, how to unlock it, and how to get in and start the truck. The very first thing is, how are you going to get into the truck because you don't visibly see a key here? Well, there is a solution for this. No visible key, but there is a key in here. So if you look actually here on the remote, you're going to see an area that has a little button, and that little button is going to, you push in on that little button and pull out. And you have a key. Okay, now that we have the key, the next step is going to be unlocking the door. We're going to place it in the cylinder in the door, and we're going to unlock it. Now, don't open the door yet because it's going to set the alarm off. You want to make sure that you're prepared to follow the next step in this video before you open the door. The next step is going to be placing the key remote in the center console between the two cup holders and starting the vehicle. That is going to stop the alarm from going off. So let's open the door and the alarm will go off. Okay, you're in the truck and you have your remote in with you. You come down to the dashboard and you're going to hit the start button. Put your foot on the brake and it says, hey, no remotes detected. Now it does give you the key indicator. Place the key transmitter in the pocket to start your vehicle. Now everybody says, hey, where's that pocket? So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, and in between your cup holders is a little area here. And this little area is where you're going to actually place the remote, and it fits in there pretty nicely. So you're going to see it down in there. You're going to come back and you're going to hit the start button. And lo and behold, it starts and it's taking over the memory seat for that particular driver. And that's as easy as it gets. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video. Please take a moment to read it before you make any buying decisions. Okay, so you're going to take the key and you're going to put it into the door and you're going to turn it and that will unlock the truck. Well, that doesn't fix that.